Okay, I hope you have already installed Visual Studio Code as suggested in the last session. Now open VS Code from Programs or Search menu. Just type Visual Studio Code and click on Open. So now your Visual Studio application has been opened and you need to create a folder if not created so far. In my case, just to create a folder, just click on File menu, click on Open Folder. In my case, I have already created Part 4 folder and click on it and select folder. So nothing is visible here. You just need to click on Explorer icon just to see your file and folder structure over here. So now you need to click on plus icon which shows new file icon to create your first HTML file and rename this as index.html. So that is expected to launch a website, and you always want to keep your file names lowercase and with no spaces. Still, Windows recognizes even if you use spaces or capital letters, but when we host our files on web server, it will differentiate. So that causes the problem. So always the naming convention should be in lower cases with no spaces. You can use hyphens or dashes also. So once you create it, click on it. Now here you can see empty file. Already one file has been created with index.html in your folder structure. So now we will start creating our first HTML file. Firstly, we will create document type tag less than exclamation and doc type tag HTML. This tag is used to tell the HTML version. This currently tells that the version is HTML 5.4. Then we will create HTML tag with language specific. HTML space lang equals to en. So here lang specifies the language of the HTML page. En specifies the language, which language we are using for this document. En represents English. So in the same way you can use for other languages. For example, FR represents for French. Like this you can use many languages. So currently we are continuing with English language. Yeah. Here you can observe, as soon as I hit greater than symbol, it will automatically get the closing tag as well. Now we will create head tag. Head tag contains metadata, title, page CSS, external CSS, external JavaScript, whatever you want, you can embed inside this head element. So it's also useful for Google search, indexing, etc. So firstly we will be mentioning meta information. So just need to use meta space charset equals to UTF-8. So what it does is it tells the browser currently whatever we are using inside our HTML document is using UTF-8 charset. Now we will create compatibility meta tag. This is for, we are using also for IE Edge, we are using compatibility meta tag information over here. So next we will be using viewport. So to make our website responsive, so that means if someone views our website in mobile, tablet, TV or other handheld devices, it will be responsive to their handheld devices. Next we will use author meta information. Here, so meta name is author, content is RG3 Tech Talk. So this tells to the browser this is the author information of this particular HTML document. Now we will use description meta name. So what it does is it will explain about website in our few words. Next we will be using title tag. So title tag is nothing but you will be seeing your title of your page at the browser top. RG. Now we will use body tag. If you see here, body tag comes under HTML and immediately after head tag. So HTML will be holding head tag as well as body tag. Whatever you are typing here, it will be shown in browser inside. So for example, I am using h1 tag and writing some content. Yep. So now we will preview this in a web browser. So you just need to right click on file name and click on reveal in Explorer. So here you just need to click on, so here it will be showing your HTML document. So as discussed earlier, so this whatever you are seeing here in meta information, you won't be visible any of the information inside the browser. So whatever you are writing here, it will be visible only inside the browser. So except title, you can't see anything over here. This title will be this. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. Thank you for watching HTML tutorial for beginners part 4. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. We will meet in part 5. Thank you.